Hello guys, today I'm here to describe or to explain about uses of can, could and might in possibilities. First of all, see, when we use examples then we get better. So today here I'm using the example of rain. Suppose if you can see black clouds outside and you are feeling humidity. That is, the possibility of rain is above 50%. So you can say that it can rain today. If the possibility is at 50%, that is, you can see black clouds outside, but there is no humidity. So you can say that it could rain today. But if there are no clouds outside and you're just feeling the humidity, and at that basis you want to conclude, at that you can say it might rain today because it is a possibility below 50%. Thank you.